This is a 4-stroke SI engine, working principle of the 4-stroke petrol engine. This is a 4-stroke engine. The first step shows the suction stroke, second shows the compression stroke, third one is the power stroke, fourth one is the exhaust stroke. The cycle of operation is completed in 4-stroke. That is, the air fuel mixture sucking into the combustion chamber, compressing the air fuel mixture, power produced by the air fuel mixture, and exhaust of the air fuel burned gases. So all these things happening when the piston is reciprocating from TDC to BDC. The top portion is top dead center and this is the bottom dead center. In the section stroke, the piston moves from TDC top dead center to BDC bottom dead center. The inlet valve opens and air enters and the fuel is injected at the entry. So in the recent engine, fuel injection is used, so petrol is injected. So air fuel mixture enters into the combustion chamber when the piston starts moving from top dead center to bottom dead center. So that is, crankshaft will move 180 degree. Now in the second stroke, inlet valve and exhaust valve both are closed and the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. In this particular stroke, the air fuel mixture which is there is compressed and the piston moves from BDC to TDC and the crankshaft rotates 180 degree. So till 180 is 360 degree rotation of the crankshaft. 2 strokes are completed. And the third stroke is when the piston reaches to TDC, top dead center, nearer to the TDC. At the end of the very nearer to the TDC, the spark gives the spark. The petrol air fuel mixture is ignited by an external spark and the fuel is ignited over here. So when the fuel is ignited, heat is dissipated. So the piston, enormous amount of the power is exerted on the piston. So the piston moves from top dead center TDC to BDC. So bottom dead center. So among the 4 strokes, the power is being produced in this particular stroke and the piston moves 180 degree. So then in the last stroke is piston is reached at the bottom dead center, that is BDC. So here the exhaust valve opens and the piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. So with this the burned gases are thrown out of the combustion chamber. So in the cycle of operation is completed in 4 stroke, the fuel has entered into the combustion chamber, compressed, power produced, exhausted. So this is completing in 720 degree of the rotation of the crankshaft. That means 2 rotation of the crankshaft will be required to complete 4 strokes. So the advantages of the 4-stroke engines are that the cycle of operations are separate. Suction stroke is separate, compression stroke is separate, working stroke is separate, and the exhaust is separate. So with the result, what will happen is the power produced in the petrol 4-stroke petrol will be better. So most of the vehicles, and you can identify the petrol 4-stroke engine with the valves. If the valves are there, then it is a 4-stroke SI engine. If the ports are there, then it is a 2-stroke engine. That is what by observing you can. The application of this is even nowadays in the 2-wheelers are also 2-wheelers. The 4-stroke petrol engines are used, and in the passenger cars and all, the 4-stroke SI engine, that is the 4-stroke petrol engines, are widely used. So this is what is the advantage of using the 4-stroke petrol engine.